Daghan kaayo og pangutana nga murag wala nay klaro ang dagan sa imong kinabuhi. You've been trying, praying, waiting pero walay klarong tubag. Then you start to ask, unsa pa may kulang Lord? Ano sila naatanan ako wala pa? But listen, God's not yet, it's not a no. Delay is not rejection, it's redirection. Kay basin ang imong gipangayo karon makadaot pa nimo kung ihatag dayon. Sometimes ang delay is His way of saying, wait anak, I'm preparing something better. Ayaw kalimot, while you're waiting, God is working. While you're hurting, He is healing. And while you're growing tired, He's giving you strength. So if you're in a season of waiting karon, wait with faith, wait with hope, and wait with joy. Because in God's perfect time, everything you've prayed for will come. Not late, not early, but right on time. Padayon lang bisan og lisod. Kaya rana nimo. Kay dili ka nag-inusara. Delay is not denial. Sometimes God is just protecting us. Thank you.